Hello everyone and welcome to my racetrack tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to import some packages and set up the first scene. Open your Unity hub and make a new project. Select all templates and 3D. Rename it to your racetrack and create the project. Now that we have our scene, there's a bit of work we need to do before we can start adding anything to it. First, open up your browser and go to the website where the racetrack project is. And there's a couple tabs here for downloading a free arcade car prefab and a low poly road pack. Open them both up and it'll bring you to the official Unity website. Now all you need to do is, it should say add to my assets here, and you'll just click that. Make sure you're logged in with your account. It should be your personal email. Open Unity Editor. And it will open this tab in the Unity Editor. We're going to import all of these and all of these. You can close this tab, and if you want to look through these folders, you can see some nice racing car meshes. And in this broken vector folder, there's one called low poly road pack. And in the prefab section here, there's a bunch of prefabs for types of roads. And we're going to be using these later to make some levels.